class. We're on the bus now.
Waiting for a movie.
Going to watch movie, but first we're going for early lunch and late breakfast. And yay, no in the bus.
I got nothing to say. I don't know. Okay, Chandni, you're watching this?
Yes.
Oh my god, you know what? You're so cute, okay? That's all. Okay.
Okay, and she's using your spaghetti recipe.
No, I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, okay. Maybe I'll use minced meat instead of using sausages. Yeah. Yep.
Pork is it? Or?
No, beef. Beef.
She eats beef.
I eat beef. Yeah, I do eat beef.
She's not Hindu.
You know what? I'm not gonna explain. I just done explaining with him, so yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see you later. Hi. Okay, so now we are at Hungry Jack's and we are having our lunch / breakfast brunch kind of thing, and we ordered a lot of things. So we have egg McMuffin for breakfast, and we have cheeseburger for lunch.
We have ice cream.
And ice cream
as
for dessert.
And
like Oreo McFlurry, like that, Singapore style. And yeah, and we have onion rings and fries. So yay! And I like the seats as well. Look at the seats, it's very like classic.
See what? Oh, the seat?
The seats like very classic, old school kind of diner style. And yeah, and the burgers here are better than McDonald's.
McDonald's and KFC and whatever.
So we will be eating now, and when you come here, we are definitely going here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Chandni, that's her name. Right? Is it? I don't know.
Chandni, you got fan. Okay, bye. Now, finding our seats.
This one?
Yeah. And it is empty with our movie. And we didn't fall while we are sitting down. And we are going to enjoy the movie. We're going to watch Bad Neighbors.
Can I see?
Okay, so I like booked this ticket and I didn't tell her what movie we are watching.
Oh my god, you're watching Bad Neighbors!
You don't even know what movie it is, right?
But at least I now know what movie is it, right?
Okay, she doesn't even know. Anyway, the rating is R21 in Singapore, but here it's M15.
Yep, you can see.
So, hopefully...
M15, okay.
Okay, so hopefully they won't censor any parts and I'll tell you what the R21s. Okay? And
bye!
Yeah, got no weird music all here, so we are going to enjoy ourselves. And after that, we have to go back to class at 3 o'clock. We just had lunch. Okay, see you later.
Hello!
Okay, the movie just ended and we're outside. Do you like the movie?
Yes!
How do you find it?
Nice, the movie is so funny!
I
You should definitely go and watch the movie.
was a lot of
a lot of
yeah,
nonsense.
now I know why it's R21 in Singapore and it should stay that way in Singapore. But I think without the like dirty jokes and all,
yeah, I think it should be fine, yeah.
It won't be funny, but then it was good lah. I liked it.
Yeah, it's a nice movie.
Yeah. Okay, come, and now we have to go back to school.
Yes! Oh my god, we got lessons today!
Yeah, back to boring stuff. Okay, let's go.
Bye!
Bye.